Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Maverick, a compact pickup that continues to break the mold in its segment. From its striking design to its versatile features, the 2025 Maverick promises to redefine what a small truck can offer. Stick around as we explore its exterior, interior performance, safety features, unique selling points, pricing, and much more. The exterior of the 2025 Ford Maverick combines ruggedness with modern aesthetics, making it a standout in urban and off-road environments. It features a bold front grille design that gives it an aggressive edge, paired with sharp LED headlights and daytime running lights for enhanced visibility. The body is slightly more aerodynamic than its predecessor, and Ford has introduced a range of new colors, including a striking cyber orange and atlas blue. Its compact size makes it ideal for city driving, while the flared fenders, muscular hood lines, and 17 or 18-inch alloy wheel options highlight its adventurous spirit. The practical bed space includes Ford's FlexBed system, which allows for creative cargo solutions with customizable dividers, tie-downs, and even integrated power outlets. Step inside, and the Maverick welcomes you with a well-crafted and tech-forward interior designed to cater to both drivers and passengers. The cabin offers seating for 5, with high-quality upholstery options ranging from durable fabric to luxurious leather. The 2025 model introduces a larger 12-inch touchscreen with Ford's Sync 4 system, providing seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout, including under-seat storage compartments and door pockets designed to fit large water bottles. For those who love a premium feel, ambient lighting, and an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system elevate the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Maverick doesn't disappoint with its performance options. It comes standard with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive 191 horsepower and class-leading fuel efficiency of up to 40 mph in city driving. For those seeking more power, a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine is available, offering 250 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Maverick also offers an all-wheel drive option for tackling tougher terrains. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 4,000 pounds and an optional off-road package, the Maverick is more than capable of handling both work and play. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ford Maverick, equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. The inclusion of a 360-degree camera ensures better visibility when parking or navigating tight spots. Additionally, the truck is built with a high-strength steel frame and multiple airbags, providing peace of mind in case of a collision. Advanced driver assistance systems like evasive steering assist and rear cross-traffic alert are also available, further enhancing its safety credentials. What truly sets the 2025 Ford Maverick apart are its unique selling points. It's the only pickup in its class to offer a standard hybrid engine, delivering both efficiency and performance without compromise. The FlexBed system is another game-changer, allowing owners to customize the truck bed for a wide variety of tasks, from carrying tools to weekend camping gear. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in city environments, while still offering the utility of a truck. Moreover, the starting price is surprisingly affordable, making it an accessible choice for first-time truck buyers or those looking to downsize from larger pickups. Speaking of price, the 2025 Ford Maverick starts at just $24,000 for the base XL model, making it one of the most budget-friendly pickups on the market. Upgrading to the XL or Lariat trims adds premium features, with the fully loaded version priced around $38,000. Considering the hybrid powertrain, advanced technology, and robust safety features, the Maverick offers exceptional value for its price. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Maverick continues to redefine the compact truck segment, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're an urban driver looking for a versatile vehicle or an adventurer seeking a capable yet efficient truck, the Maverick has something for everyone. With its innovative features, cutting-edge technology, and unbeatable price point, it's no wonder this truck is turning heads. Thank you for tuning into Automoto Unleashed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next video.